Hey everybody, welcome to Lollyland Adventures. I'm actually in the car going to pick up my mom. I'm stopped at a traffic light, no one's around. Usually we do videos in the Smoky Mountains. That's what this channel is, our second channel. However, today I'm going to a pancake house in my hometown of Freehold, New Jersey that has switched over to a new name called the Brownstone Pancake Factory. And since the Smoky Mountains are filled with pancake goodness, I decided to take you guys along with Mom and I for my birthday breakfast a few days after my birthday. She's treating me to a nice little day out. After she and I run some errands, we're gonna go eat pancakes. Please subscribe to our channel. Mikey's not here today, letting him sleep in on his day off. But we have a lot more Smoky Mountain fun coming up, so I hope you'll join us. But until then, let's go eat some pancakes at a Jersey pancake house. At the Brownstone Pancake Factory, about a 10-minute wait, not too bad. We beat the big rush, and it's crowded. I'm going to show you what I can without being in people's faces, but the most important thing is the food, so enjoy looking at our food. What do you guys do when you're waiting in line to eat pancakes? Mama dances. So we are seated. Are you ready to eat some pancakes? It's very noisy. It's very busy in here. They have brunch specials, Monday through Friday brunch specials. Peanut butter and jelly churro French toast. So there's so many drinks. You can get an Italian soda. One day I plan to try this. Go online and check out their menu, guys. I found what I'm getting, guys. My belated birthday pancakes. Buttermilk topped with fresh bananas, strawberries, and Nutella. So, noisy restaurants are not good for YouTube, but it is what it is, right?
Well, I'll tell you, I'm ordering a load of food, so I will let you know.
What?
I don't get out much to eat, so I would definitely let you know how the food is.
And we'll probably give our honest review outside in the rain.
Yeah.
Because it'll be a lot less noisy. So bathrooms are here, but then you come out and it's like everyone gets to use the sink here. Oh my God. That's an omelet. That is an omelet. Hold it up. No, hold it up. Like with you, yes. That's cute. The Nutella pancakes, guys. That's a good amount of toppings. That is a good amount of toppings, so we're gonna get into this. Well, you put the flip down here, look, you can see where you're going.
And this is the toast.
Oh, now you're a vlogger. Coffee's good.
Now, the only thing I need is butter.
I asked for butter.
I'm digging in.
Get your reaction. That came out fast. Good omelet?
Very fluffy. Oh no.
I didn't even take a bite yet and I got Nutella on the sleeve. Oh yeah, do that pour, girl. She went for it.
I'm on a diet.
Alright, let's get your pancake reaction.
It's a biggie.
You just spilled it on you, on your lap. Good? You can move it down if you want to get in there. You see it? Steaming. Look at my big glass of water. It's like in a milkshake kind of cup, right? Ooh. Milkshake water. I'm really digging in now.
Wait, she thought this was too big for me?
I know. Good? I love Nutella. I do. Alright guys, we're gonna eat this. Right? And we'll give our review when we are outside.
Good.
So far so good. You like the pancakes?
Very good, yeah.
This used to be our Perkins growing up here in Freehold. Now it's Brownstone, and I'm glad we still get a pancake house. Slow, too slow. I don't even need slow-mo for that. What do you think of the coffee?
Coffee or coffee?
Coffee. What do you think of the coffee? Pretty good.
Yes, it's very strong. That's the
It
way I
is.
like
That's why I can only have 1 cup. All right, we're gonna check in. I'm taking this piece home. Mama's going to town on that rye toast. She's a star, everybody. Give her a thumbs up. Give her a thumbs up. If she gets at least 20 thumbs up in this video, she gets to go back out with me. She killed the omelet. She's bad.
I'm bad.
Omelet is gone, potatoes are getting gone, and pancakes are getting gone. No leftovers.
And they said that I probably would take it home. Forget it.
Where is it?
In the belly.
All right, all right, all right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the Brownstone. Woo! Happy birthday to you.
So these are all our
Alright, so these are the milkshakes here, guys. And you say Samantha?
Amanda.
Amanda here has been amazing. Come see her.
Do they call you Mandy?
No.
She's Amanda.
Yeah.
The brownie explosion is going to be our #1 most popular, followed by, and you said the other one was
The
the
unicorn cotton candy one for
yes, for the birthdays. Now it's my birthday, but I don't want that. But come get the milkshakes. We'll film it next time. So we're in the car. It was raining. That was awkward. Just wanted to shout out to our new friends Derek and Annie. They told us to try a new place called The Skillet in Freehold, which I didn't know of. So we're going to try that next time. You want to go with me?
Oh, it sounds good to me if they release me.
Thanks to Mom. Thanks to Mommy for hanging out and treating me to a birthday breakfast
That's
lunch.
okay. You're my baby.
Guys, please subscribe. Mikey and I have more Smoky Mountain adventures coming up for you every Saturday. Thanks for watching Lollyland Adventures. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching Lollyland.
And Pancake Home. Wow, Pancake Homes. Pancake Houses. Mom's here. We're gonna go get some pancakes, right? You're getting eggs and pancakes.
Yeah. Oh, don't put me on.
Yes.
No.
Oh yeah. Now those potatoes, I wouldn't like them because I don't do peppers and onions, but
There's no pepper.
no? Yes, there is. I see one right there.
Try a plain potato
I
right
don't
over
want
here.
your potato.
They're green.
I got lots of birthday people here, including myself.
The potatoes have like a sage or something in it. Very different. Very different.
Like it?
Kind of like Thanksgiving. Yeah, I don't like the
Hold on, we're
willow.
recording. Hold on. Put it down for 1 second. Right here.
Oh, yes.
Come here.